Best platform for freelancers. Which one is the best platform for freelancers? Firstly, we need to look all the platforms through which we can start our freelance journey. Number 1, Fiverr. Number 2, Upwork. Number 3, LinkedIn. Number 4, Freelancer. Number 5, Facebook. And number 7, all job portals. Yes, from all of the above platforms, we can start our freelancing journey. Freelancing is not something different, it is actually a job. Sometimes short term, sometimes long term, sometimes part time, sometimes full time. And this job also available on all job portals and all job sites and all apps that are used for job search. But out of all the mentioned apps for starting off your freelance journey, I will recommend you three platforms. Number 1, Fiverr. Number 2, Upwork, and number 3, LinkedIn. These platforms are most trustable and platforms with less scammers as compared to other platforms. Yes, scammers are available on every platform, but on above mentioned three platforms, there is a large number of genuine people and few scammers, but on other sides, a large number of scammers are present. Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn are the best platforms for freelancers, as many foreign clients you will get on these platforms and they will pay you very high for the work. Between clients and freelancers, these platforms are the best mediators, which is beneficial for both clients as well as for the freelancers. This platforms is nothing but a bridge between the clients and the freelancers. If you want to start your journey on Fiverr, I have given link in the description. If you download Fiverr app from given link, then you will get 10% bonus on first order. If you understand and loved this video, then like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, take care.